distance and you ride. Oh no, I said too much. I said enough. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I've said too much. I haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you try. Every whisper, every waking hours, I'm choosing my confessions, trying to keep eye on you like a hurt, lost and blinded fool. Oh no, I said too much. I said enough. Consider this, end of the century. Consider this, the slip that drove me to my knees. First, what if all these fantasies come flailing around? Now I said too much. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you try. And that was just a dream. That was just a dream. That's me in the corner.